again with another video. So today we're actually back on campus.
Yep.
Winter break is over.
That sucks, but it's alright.
But it's alright. We're still going to be making videos, posting them every Tuesday. Stay tuned.
So our friend sent us this video of this lady making chicken tacos. When I first read it, I was like,
What?
So you put chicken in a regular taco? Boring.
yeah. So what the lady did, she threw out the wrap. She said, no, we're not using that. So I'm like, all right, this is getting interesting. So then what she did was take a chicken breast, cut it in the middle, and that was her tortilla wrap. I said, Danny, we got to try it. So that's what we're doing today. We'll see y'all back in the kitchen.
So here are our ingredients. We have 2 chicken breasts. We have our lettuce, tomatoes, and jalapenos.
A little bit of jalapeno, because you already know she a perk. She can't take the heat, y'all.
Don't start. We got our guac and
Sour cream. Best thing ever.
Our ground beef.
We already started doing this one. You just take your chicken breast. You just want to cut along that line right here, just so it mimics a taco wrap like that once you fry it.
We're hungry. Yep. Oh, I ruined it. Great.
Honestly. When the food taking too long?
Chips. And listen to
It's an appetizer.
So the first bite I took, I ate a jalapeno and my mouth is on fire.
Danielle was such a punk, guys. I told you she doesn't like jalapeno.
I really don't like jalapenos.
She took her first bite?
Not because
Crying.
it's hot. It's
Crying.
not even good. I like spicy food.
How is it not good then? How is it not good?
So I'm gonna cut it open. Oh my god. I'm gonna cut it open. And we're only gonna make half because we don't need all of it. Everything's thick.
Da-da-da-da! This is the What? Huh? This is my favorite part of every cooking show, eating.
Time to eat.
Time to eat. So, we're about to assemble our chicken taco.
Ooh.
Watch and learn.
Why didn't you have some plates?
Oh, I'm gonna get plates. I bet you I could get it in 10 seconds.
1, 2. Well, you cheated. You cheated. Like you were already over there.
All right. So I got plastic plates because we already have a lot of dishes. All right. So pass the chicken. Bro.
Time to eat.
All right.
Which one do you want?
Well, I mean, you can choose first. No, I wanted that one. No, it's okay.
Bro!
No, I want it. It's on my side, so why would you take that one?
I don't know. You look like you wanted this one.
Okay, so now, what we put first, Danny?
We forgot our cheese, bro.
I'll be back again.
Wow, yours looks fire.
Yours looks fire. All right, let's sing it.
Happy
Let's
dance,
dig
happy
in.
dance, happy dance.
Oh, I can't do my happy dancing now. Alright. I think I can go from this side
Uno.
there.
Dos, tres. Oh, this is hot. Eat.
Yo, this is fire. Yo, guys.
Yo.
That chicken taco?
No way. That was fire. Y'all have to try it. Like, y'all have to try it.
How did that lady think of that? Like, those two things together?
Like, wow.
Fire. The guacamole and the sour cream just made it, like...
Y'all really have to try it. And if you do try it, let us know.
Let us know if you like it.
DM us on Instagram. So that's all we have for our cooking segment today. What are we doing next week? Nah, we ain't even gonna tell you. Y'all gotta stay tuned. Look on our Insta for updates, Snapchat, all that. Add us. We'll put our links down below. And yeah, that's it. That's all we had. 5, baby. 5.